So southpaw is obviously leading with the left. Sorry, nice not. Rewind that. What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to be learning footwork. You're here with Flash Fitness and I'm Chris Evangelou. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, why is footwork so important in boxing? Well, it gets you in trouble, out of trouble, moves you around the ring, defense, gets you in the position to attack, so it's for offense as well, gives you foundation, reserves energy, and also it can exhaust you if not done correctly. So footwork is so important, and this is why I'm teaching that today, very early on in our channel, because just like the jab, just like the straight right, footwork, really, you need to learn that first. So that is the main thing you need to do, and today we're going to show you that. Again, get in your boxing stance. So I'm orthodox. Again, southpaw will be the opposite. Southpaw is leading with the right hand. Okay, so it's just exactly opposite to orthodox. So I'm going to be showing you now the footwork. Right, when you're in your boxing stance, I always like to say to people, to my students, to get off their skateboard if their feet are in line, which is incorrect especially for boxing. This is very, very off balancing for someone to be in. Not just because of defense, because if you get knocked, let's say I'm boxing someone and I'm in line and I just get hit with anything, it's very easy for me to be taken off balance or knocked down, which is obviously you're going to lose that round if you don't answer back with knocking the other person down, and it just makes things so much harder. But not just that for defense, also for attack. If my feet are on a line, on a skateboard, and I see an opening and I want to throw the right hand, I can't physically throw that right hand. So if I'm in a line, I can't throw the right hand because I'm completely off balance. So what do we do with this? We have to have that daylight through the legs. You have to, if you play football, or if anyone in America is watching this and you want to call it soccer, that's fine. You have to always be able to nutmeg me. A nutmeg is when a ball passes through the player's legs. Okay, you need to always be able to nutmeg me at any time during the fight. So you can always see daylight through my legs. All right, so that's my boxing stance. You can see the daylight through my legs. Now, how do we move? So we don't want to be bringing your feet together. Okay, so you never want to move forward by moving your back leg first and then your front leg, and then going back with your front leg and then the back leg. This is just the basics of boxing. Later on, the later videos that I do will be more advanced footwork where you will bring your feet together momentarily. Okay, but for now, we're just learning the basics. So the basics are when we move forward or any direction, we move that foot first, which is closest to that direction. When we're going forward, we move our front leg first. Just pigeon steps, don't have to do this and then this. Just little pigeon steps, so forward and the back leg trails behind. Okay, we'll do that again. Forward with the front leg, forward with the back leg. If we go back, your back foot moves first. Back, front leg follows. Back, forwards, back, forwards. And sorry about the creaking, we are in a boxing ring. If we want to move to my left, we're going to move your left leg first. So left and then right. Left and then right. If we go to the right leg, the left leg moves. The right leg, the left leg moves. Can you see how simple that is? It sounds so simple. We don't want to be doing this. We don't want to be crossing over. It's not Greek dancing. You don't do all this sort of stuff in boxing, right? You want to be moving with daylight all the way through the legs, okay? There. So forward, always keeping your hands up, So don't be doing this. Hands stay up. And you do this every single day to get that in your head. On the pads, on the bag, shadow boxing. Okay, and if we want to move to the side, we move to the side, and again, daylight through the legs. Move this side, daylight through the legs. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. What we're going to do now is, with my cameraman, he's going to be acting as an opponent against me and filming my footwork. And you're going to see that at no point do I cross my feet over. Okay, so let's cut to that. So literally, film here, but always be facing me. Pretend you're fighting me. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing with that footwork is it sets up your jab, it sets up your right hand. So for example, just like I said right at the start of this video, if you're throwing that 1-2, 1-2, okay? Your feet need that daylight through the legs. I can't express that enough. When you're, this is again a future video, but let's say you slip a punch or you move away from a punch, and you have that daylight through the legs. Now, if I want to counter, I can counter. I've got the foundation. My footwork is underneath me all the time. I'm not leaning over, I'm not crossing over. There, you stay in this zone. Later on, when it's more advanced, yeah, we can momentarily move. Crossing over our legs, pivots, coming round, but that's much further down the line. This is where you need to start. Footwork. So now we're ready. If you've not seen the videos, you've got the jab, you've got the right hand, and you've got the basic footwork. Okay, great. My name is Evangelou, Flash Fitness, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your time watching me explain to you about boxing, which is an amazing sport. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment for me. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day.